What's up everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. We are back for a reaction video for the Divas of the Queendom. Abay, nabalitaan natin na multiverse ang Divas of the Queendom today dahil sasamahan sila ng The Voice Kids winners and also the Clash and kampiyon ng tanghalan. Parang gano'n, parang tawag ng tanghalan. Charit. But of course, before we proceed guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. And mega love shoutout to all our queenies out there. Yes, I'm back. Happy New Year sa inyo. Kaya naman pa inaantay natin. Let's go check this out. Alright, we're playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Ito na guys, Divas of the Queendom. Ay, Wicked. Defying Gravity.
Something has changed within me.
Ibang start ng Jessica.
Something is not the same.
Ganda ng audio today.
I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's
Sweet. Ang smooth
game.
na.
Too late for
Jenica Velaza, The Voice Kids.
too late to go back to sleep.
Ito ng boses.
It's time to trust my
And the
instincts.
diction, guys.
Close my eyes. And it's time to try to find
The sweet girl Maring Hana.
gravity. I think I'm trying to find gravity. And you can't pull me down.
Yes. Ibang Winces. Ay, kabog yun ha. The harmony. Ganda ng harmony. Shoot ah. Sumasabay ang mga bata. Kabog. Pinas pa ni Jessica. Kabog. Grabe. Hindi nagpahuli ang mga kabataan natin for today's video. Alam mo parang dapat magkaroon ng Young Majesty. No? Yung mga The Voice Kids na babae at lalaki. Oo, ganun isang segment, Young Majesty. Kasi nakita niyo naman ang pagsabayan tong mga young divas natin from The Voice Kids sa Queendom. Hindi sila nagpatalo. I love the arrangement and the harmony was on point. Tapos yung dulo, Jessica talaga. Ayaw magpatalo na maring Jessica tayo. Ay, parang The Greatest Showman naman. This Is Me. Ay, ang liit, ang cute.
I am not a stranger to the dark.
Bagay kay Teto kasi theatrical.
Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars.
Christina
Run
Crosby.
away, they say,
Ang ganda ng diction ng mga batang to.
But won't let them
Zephanie
break it
is
down
here.
to us. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious.
Kabog ang mutya.
With the sharpest words when I can't be
Wrestling.
I'm gonna stand up, gonna drown them out.
Ito naman, ang ganda ng texture ng boses.
I am proof, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me, look out, but here I come. Look out,
Ang ganda ng harmony. Cute!
I'm not scared, I'm not scared.
Galing kaya.
I'm not scared to be seen. I'll take no apologies. This is me.
Alam niyo ba mag-BFF yung dalawang yan? Kabog. Ay, may patadyak pang ganun si ano. Yung Crosby, apelido niya siya. Hindi ka nakalimutan ko agad, no? Grabe. At alam niyo ba, just a trivia, no? Nanonood ako ng live sa AOS before. Nakasama ko si Zephanie and Thea sa dressing room. Itong dalawang to super BFF. Lagi nagpaparitesan yung dalawang yan. At itong dalawang batang ito, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, pwedeng meron young queendom or young majesty, no? Para babae at lalaki. Kasi sila ang next in line, so deserve nila yan. And talagang nakikipagsabayan sa queendom. And Zephanie is now in queendom, guys. You can comment down below. At hindi natin alam kung nadagdag si Zephanie for today's video. Last batch. Rewrite the Stars. Very voluptuous ang Amirita. Talaga siya yan. Ito ay tanghala ng kampiyon. Ganda, parang Asa Santos vibe yung vocal. Amirita, galing. Switching, no?
No one can say what we get to be, so I don't really clear my
The style of Rita.
Just give me all of you.
Very alto yung boses ng anong kampiyon, tanghala ng kampiyon. Kulig mo, Amirita. Grabe. Kabog. Grabe yun. Actually, yung sa, tanghala ng kampiyon ba yung tawag doon? Very alto, very, Asa Santos vibe yung boses. Ang ganda, pang-blend. And of course, the style of Amirita, undeniable. Sobrang galing. Iba yung yung parang head tone ni Amirita pagdating sa mga ganitong kantahan. So, kabog. Ay, never enough. Ay, inumpisahan ng Wicked, tapos ngayon for The Greatest Showman. Saan The Greatest Showman na lang lahat? Ito naman, ito yung nanalo ng The Clash.
I'm trying to hold my breath.
Champion versus champion. Sorry.
Let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end.
Maning-mani kay Mario. Naya Ambi pala. Ay, hindi si May isa pang magaling sa The Clash eh. Nireactan ko yun.
Can you hear it echoing?
Very Morrissey. Parang Morrissey. Ang ganda ng arrangement. Hawigin din yung Morrissey, no? Uy, ganda ng counterpart na yun. Galing ni Maria. Grabe. Ay! Wait lang, nakakabitin naman ang Marian at Naya Abby face off. Grabe, ang ganda ng arrangement, the counterparts, yung distribution, and that, parang bridge part, yung mataas, ang galing. Marian always serve us very well. Ganun datingan. Balikan natin part yun kasi nakakabitin yun. Akala ko naman mga may bridge part. Galing ito. Ah! Diba? Nakakabitin yun. The generation, multiverse of divas of GMA. Ay, wala si Julie. Ay, wait lang guys, wala nga si Julie for today's video. Ano nangyari? Ganda. Ganda ng ano? Grabe. Kabog. There you have it guys, that is Divas of the Queendom with the Clash Champion, Tanghala ng Kampiyon, and also the Voice Kids. Grabe no, yung multiverse of generations ng divas sa GMA. Grabe, in the AOS stage. So, parang pinagsama sa multiverse ng mga singing contest, ganyan, mga champion na mga babae. Grabe, nakipagsabay ng mga bata. Ang galing din nung nanalo nung The Clash. So, parang Morisit level yung vibe, yung vocal. So, and of course, our Divas of the Queendom. And wala si Julie for today's video. Does it mean na wala si Julie for this Sunday? So, hindi natin sure. I-comment niyan dyan, i-chika niyo sa akin anong mga ganap for 2025 sa AOS. Baka reformat ng Divas of the Queendom. So, hindi natin alam kasi sa Stephanie yung nakita natin. But of course, deserve din naman ni Stephanie makabilang sa Queendom kasi sobrang galing din itong batang to. But definitely, alam ko nag-enjoy kayo guys. And of course, nag-enjoy na naman ako dahil napanood natin ang Queendom. At hindi lang Queendom, multiverse of divas. Kaya naman kung nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to like our video and all subscribe to True Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness guys. Bye for now.